Hey everybody, thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I'm going to do a pour on a 20 by 20 inch Artist Loft canvas. I'm going to be using Artist Loft's Acrylic Flow White for my base. So some of the colors that I'm using, this is Decoart's Metallic Emerald, Deep Emerald. This one is, oh gosh, Soho's Diatsy Violet Hue. Oh god, I just went blank. Hopefully I got that down there where you could see. And this is Artist Loft's Neon Orange. This one is Arteza's Pearl Raspberry Red. Decoart's 24 Karat Gold. And this is Arteza's, it is Pearl Royal Purple. One color that I kind of use quite often. For my smear color, I'm going to be using Amsterdam's Titanium White. So I kind of want to do something more like in a circular motion. Maybe not 100% all the way of a circle, but, and then I want to bring lots of little fun stuff into the middle. So I'm going to start with the purple. These colors are so pretty. The Dioxazine Violet and the Perusian Blue are probably one of my really super favorite colors to use these days. That neon orange is, oh my god, I did a painting not too long ago here, and I used the orange in there, and man, oh man, was that beautiful. So pretty. All right, let me torch this real quick. Make sure you get all your air bubbles out. Looks like this on this angle. When I was bringing down closer, you can see this looks like some kind of a creature, but it looks like he's smoking, so I'm gonna get rid of that. I don't want a smoking dragon or creature. Touch the canvas there and took out the paint. I think I'm good. I really think I love this. These cells are amazing. This I'm obsessed with. Like, part of me wants to do something here, but then part of me doesn't want to mess up my, I don't know, I feel like it's a creature there. I don't want to mess him up, but Like this is a lot to go. Like I wish it was more open cells like here and here, like these for sure. But it's beautiful. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna mess with it anymore. And then I gotta see, I think. Oops, where'd it go? Alright, I'm gonna bring it down. It's really fun. I love it. Yeah, I like it. Now you see how it looks like his head, maybe his spine. Maybe he's got scales. And this is his, I don't know. This one doesn't so much look like a creature up there, but it's really cool. Just look at those. Oh, that shimmer. Amazing lacing and cells. Look at that right there. Sorry about the light. And I like how this is got some lacing right over that white. This is maybe his foot. It's cool. Well, maybe not. I don't think his foot could be cleared on here. Well, look, it looks like a heart. Just how beautiful that is. But I thank everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you have any suggestions or ideas or comments, please do. That comments help my channel out so much. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. That helps my channel. Liking and subscribing helps my channel. All free to you, but helps me. But I do thank everybody for watching. And I appreciate each and every one of you. My returning subscribers, new subscribers, anybody who's just stopping by to take a look. I appreciate you guys. Have a good day. Have a good evening. Keep being creative. Bye.